Dave, this truck is too new, there are no specs. Am I ever going to be able to do an alignment?
Jenny, it isn't a problem. Let's go see real Dave and he will show you how to handle this. Let's take a look at his quick video.
Welcome to today's segment on alignments without specifications in your equipment. Every now and then, the specifications for a vehicle aren't included in the factory specification information on your alignment machine. So to start out with, we're going to have to find that information in ALLDATA and enter it manually. It'll be necessary to change the specification or tolerance of an existing specification. And when we're doing this, we'll select the closest vehicle. Talk more about that in a little bit. So first, what we'd want to do is we'd want to get the specifications on the car we're working on. So we'd go to ALLDATA, we'd select the vehicle. In this case, I took a 2024 Chevy Camaro. Once we have the specifications, we're good to go. Wait a minute, Lanham. What if it's a 2024 Tesla? Well, in the same case, we look in ALLDATA and we find that it goes straight from Subaru to Toyota. There are no Teslas. So I just click at the top of ALLDATA where it says library request, fill in the year, make, model, VIN number of the vehicle, let them know I need alignment specifications, and they'll email that right to you. So once I've got the specifications in hand, I've got to make the change on the alignment machine. Now, most of the stores are either reusing Hunter or John Bean equipment. This same process works on other types of equipment. Let's start with the Hunter. First, what I'd do is I'd have to open up a specification on a vehicle that's close. So what we do is we select this vehicle, we'd select the specifications, and then at that particular point, I'd just click in the area where I needed to make the change. We have to enter the specifications using whole numbers or fractions, decimals, or in some cases, those measurements are in inches. Use the following methods to enter those alignment specifications using the currently displayed units. Now, remember what I said, regardless of the machine, select the vehicle with the suspension closest to the vehicle in the bay. I'll minimize, in some cases, just eliminate the need for editing the specifications altogether. When I'm entering the specifications, I can enter those as whole numbers and the decimal point, or I might have to enter it in fractions because that's the way I got the specs. So let's take for an example. If we took a fractionalized number, we'd say the spec is 2.5 degrees. So we'd enter the 2, we'd press the space bar, then I'd enter 1, and then the 2. It'll automatically put the slash in there for you. In the same thing that would happen if I were to look at a specification and it wasn't necessarily in degrees decimalized, but as degrees in minutes. So for instance, 2 degrees in 15 minutes, I'd enter it as 2, hit the space bar, and 15 minutes would be right there. Keep in mind, anything that you're entering on that specification sheet is going to assume to be positive unless you put the negative sign before the value that you're entering. And remember, once your specifications are entered, you can continue with your alignment just as normal.
I've got this now, Dave. I'm back at it.
I'll see you there.